So it's around 8 p.m. It's a lovely evening down here in Magaluf, and I'm going to take you for a short walk through the resort. We're going to see what it's like as we go down where the shops are. We're going to head on to the beach as well. Now I'm just coming up past the House of Katmandú, which is one of the major theme parks down here, and I think it stays open until around 10 p.m. every evening. Actually, this time of night is quite a good time to go because it's not busy at all. There are quite a few people in there, but it's not quite as busy as during the day. And look, we can see the opening times here. It's from 10 till 10. So early evening is a great time to go to the House of Katmandú. Just coming up past Finnegans live music pub down here. Lots of people out for a few drinks this evening. It's very, very warm down here in Magaluf this evening. It's around 28 degrees. There's quite a relaxed feeling to the resort as it begins to warm up for the evening ahead. So you can see the sun just going down behind the hills, but we're going to head on in the direction of the beach. So you can see a huge Guardia Civil police station lies in the centre of Magaluf. And this police station is right at the beginning of Punta Bellino, which is on my left-hand side, otherwise known as the Strip. Of course, it's not going to be busy down here just yet. It's very, very early on in the evening. It's just after 8 p.m. In fact, it's very quiet over here at Temple 2 and over here at Stereo. But we're going to take a right here and head up through the centre of the resort. So earlier on in the evening, we can see that Stereo's got a really nice family vibe to it. I can see they've got some families out there this evening. I can also hear they've got ABBA playing, which is something I've never actually heard outside of Stereo. Now, I'm also going to point out here as well, there's a great shoe shop over here in Magaluf right next to Stereo 2. I did actually buy some sandals there just the other day. We're going to flip round and just have a quick look in Magaluf Square. Now, Magaluf Square is not particularly busy just yet either. It might well get busy a lot later on this evening, but I see we've got a few people out for something to eat. I can see Peaky Blinders at the far end is looking quite busy too. I've got the sun setting right in front of me. Just lovely scenes over here in Magaluf, and I can hear we've got some music playing down here too. Don't forget as well, on the other side of Magaluf Square you do have BCM, just in case you're wondering where that is in the resort. Let's keep on heading up through. Now, as we come up through the centre of Magaluf, you can see that the shops are still open. You're going to find that shops are open over here on the evening until well after 10 p.m. Most of them shut at around 10, but you're going to find quite a few staying open too. So just so you know whereabouts we are down here in Magaluf, I'm on the main shopping street here, and this runs parallel to the beach. So just one block into the left you're going to see the beach, but this is the area where you're going to find a lot of the shops and also some other restaurants as well and bars. Now, right in the centre of Magaluf Resort, you're going to find this little concentration of shops here. I've got an alley hop shop to my right. There's a mango just further ahead too, and this is under the inside Calvia too, with a rooftop swimming pool. Now, if ever you want to go and check out this swimming pool that you can see above me, you can actually go inside. There's a sign here on the side that says free entrance, lift up to the 5th floor. You can go and get yourself a barley bed or a cocktail. We've got a DJ up there as well. It's super nice. You can see some people are up there this evening having a few cocktails. I just actually earlier saw someone in the water too, so great place to get a swim. And of course you're going to get some amazing views right across Magaluf Resort from here too. But this area around here, right in the centre of Magaluf, is just wonderful. You've got shops. I can see a Starbucks right at the end. There's a fantastic ice cream shop right in the middle. And of course you've got some clothes shops too. So if you do need to get some new gear for going out, you can get it here. But you can see the range and the choice of restaurants that we have over here. And you've got some restaurants that have been around for quite a long time. So I'm outside of Pardo's here. It's been around since 1973. It's a seafood and steakhouse. There's also an Indian restaurant to my left. But check this out, look, so you really do have to shop around in Magaluf. I've seen this great restaurant here called Simple. They do breakfast in the bunch and poke bowls. And they do veggie burgers for €9.90 and pints here are €3.50. This is absolutely hilarious. You can come to Magaluf and get your one size mankini as well, if you want to look the part on the beach. Thank goodness I haven't seen any of those this year. So I can see one of the first sports bars down here. I can see the Titanic. They do have a few TVs up actually. Looks like a nice place to come to eat. Just right on the corner of the beach here. And of course we're down by the Ancla Verde this evening. Now from what I've seen this evening so far, Magaluf is very, very quiet. It's a lot quieter than you'll find on the weekends down here. And of course over towards the strip it is going to get very, very busy the further we head towards midnight. So I can give you a few prices here from the Ancla Verde. If you need a quick coffee stop off here, that you can get an espresso coffee for €1.60. Banana splits are €5.70. You can also get your paellas here too, as well as veggie burgers and homemade pizzas, which is really nice to see. Let's quickly check out the beach this evening. Now check out the views down here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I can see there's a huge party down here. Actually, locals on the beach tonight. It's a very, very warm evening over here in Magaluf. It's a little bit hazy, but these warm temperatures mean that really the one place that you want to be on an evening is down here on the beach having your dinner. Coming up by Zero Boat House too. We've got some good music playing out this evening. And this is where quite a few people are this evening. Got a lot of people over in Tom Brown's. Now as you know, Tom Brown's do really, really good value food. Got a fantastic menu over here as well. We've got everything from grilled food, fantastic desserts and cocktails too. And I quite like seeing outside the Happy House as well. Look, you've got a free jug of wine or half a lager with speciality meals from 5 p.m. So that's also really good to know. One thing about Magaluf, it does cater for everyone's budget. So really, really good to see. And if reports are right, then this summer is going to be even hotter than expected. So we might see the beaches in the evening being even busier than we've seen them before. Now Magaluf really is not living up to its image this evening at all. It's the atmosphere down here is just lovely actually. We could be almost anywhere else on the island. Really lovely relaxed feel to the start of the evening. Of course if you do want to go out down here then head to the strip at about 11:30. It's going to get very, very busy down here. But it's great to see that you can have a really, really nice enjoyable holiday over here and a great family time too. Okay, so we're just coming up to Blackbeard's here and my goodness, it is absolutely so busy in here. I'm so glad that we do have a table reservation. It's definitely recommended. I can see they've got some live music this evening too, which is absolutely fantastic. So I can't wait to go and have dinner now. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. I hope this video will help with your trip if you're coming over here this summer. I shall see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.